guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Icey slime. Before we get started, I have a couple things to mention. I have changed my processing times on my Etsy account because I have went back to full-time work. Also, I have a giveaway going on in my Instagram. If you want to go check that out, don't miss out on it. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Leave comments down below on what videos you'd like to see next. Now let's get in. I'm going to start off with 1 cup of clear glue. I highly recommend putting all your ingredients in this stage because otherwise, after it is activated, it can leave an oily residue. Then I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of warm water and foaming facial cleanser and foam hand soap. I highly recommend using foaming hand soap. It makes a huge difference in the Icey slime. I'm going to dye this with pink pigment powder, but you can choose any color. And of course, adding in my scent. Now you want to mix this in completely, very well. And now you're going to add in small amounts of activator at a time. You do not want to overactivate this. I always make fresh activator before the slime because I always mix with hot water and it feels so nice on your hands. Like I said before, do not overactivate. I'm not lying. If you do, you're going to overactivate and have fun fixing it. Clear glue activates way faster than white glue. When you add little bits, I recommend mixing for a bit before you add more activator. There's going to be a point where you want to add more activator, but seriously, don't. Get your hands up all in that bowl and knead your life away. Trust me, this will come together. Remember, Rome was not built in one day. See, I told you. It is still even a little tough at this point, but this is where you're going to add in the snow. I use Snow Wonder fake snow. This is my favorite kind of snow. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of dry snow. Wait, did I just say dry snow? Yes, I did. This is how you get the slime with less residue and a wet feeling. The snow will absorb all the moisture it can get out of your slime. This is why we add water at the start. This is so the snow can absorb all that water. If you can see, it is still very tough and rough, but this just takes time. Keep kneading, pulling, squishing. Trust me, it will get there. You will notice the more you work it in, the looser it will get. You can add more or less snow depending on how you want the texture. This will have amazing sizzles after 24 hours, and this will inflate and deflate, so be careful on choosing a container. Now, I hope you enjoy the slime we made together. It is truly an amazing Icey slime. Now, I want to talk about the scent for a minute. I use Island Escape. I'll link them down below. If you live in Canada, oh my god, are they amazing. She has so many scents to choose from. It is just amazing. They all smell just immaculate. So be sure to check them out. And I will link the type of snow I use too down below. So make sure you check that out. Don't forget to show me some support and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.